go. So sort of first cast up into that nicer water there, and that one's grabbed that little nymph straight away. So it's a nice little fish there to start the day. And they've got a bit of power in that faster water, so ideally not letting them go too far downstream. Nice high rod there. When we can, we'll try and bring him over into a little bit of slower water here. Slide him in there, and there we go. First little run for the day there. Only had a couple of casts into that, but showing the effectiveness there of the little pheasant tail nymph that we started off with. And he's a beautiful little brown trout there. Pheasant tail there in the corner of the mouth. Stunning little fish. Typical little river fish of Tasmania. Beautiful spots there. Just a prime example of a wild brown trout here in the lowland rivers of Tasmania.